beautiful people. We are here live in Lagos, Nigeria, and we're going to be asking people what they think about artificial intelligence, how they think it has helped their lives, if they're excited for more innovative things that is going to come out from it, or if they're scared that it's going to take their jobs. It's going to be an interesting conversation. I can't wait to get into the streets, and I know you can't wait to. Let's go. We want to ask you about AI, artificial intelligence. First of all, what do you think about it?
To me, artificial intelligence have taken over like things that people do normally with their parents. But it's still okay. At least it helps a lot.
I feel like it's being brought into human life makes it easier. You get.
Well, I can see that AI has been good so far. So I'm a testimony. So I've been using AI for the past 1 year now. So I'm a researcher anyway. So it has enhanced my work a lot. So I can see in terms of the quality of outputs and my work over the past 1 year, I've been, I have a lot of the testimony I can say about AI. So it's been good so far.
I think it's okay. It's fast evolving. But I also feel it's coming too fast at people, because for me personally, I think AI makes me lazy. Yeah, I don't have to do a lot of thinking. I just use it to get tasks done and all that. So
yeah, I think it's the future. Yeah. So AI is a game changer for a lot of operations. It makes the work easier and faster if you know how to properly use the prompt. If you know how to properly use the right prompts to get what you want. I think AI is really interesting.
AI has come to stay now, and of course it comes with its own challenges, because our work is now difficult, because with the era of ChatGPT, so that's come with its own. It's a technology that is here to stay, very disruptive.
AI as a whole, I think, is an incredible concept. I understand that it's supposed to make life, easier for everyone. So as long as it's used right, then it should be welcome.
AI is something should be happy about, because it's helped a lot. Like, I use ChatGPT for my assignments. Not only for my assignment, I ask questions. It's like my girlfriend. Like, I ask ChatGPT.
Do you think that is something that you're looking forward to, or do you think it's something that you're scared, especially in your work area?
I'm looking forward to it. What artificial intelligence can do.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to more innovation in mass comm, but I don't think it will threaten us now. We have the upper hand. We are the ones controlling it. You get, so it's still okay like that.
Okay, do you feel slightly threatened that it might take your job, or that there are jobs around you that you feel important that is going to take in the near future?
With what I see, of course, some jobs will have to go, and new jobs will be created, because now people are now looking at prompt engineering.
What's the coolest thing about AI, and what's the scariest thing about AI?
You can take my job, that's the scariest thing. The coolest thing is it makes my work easy too. So yeah.
Okay, so do you think personally that AI can take your job, and are you concerned about that?
Yes, I'm very, very concerned because it's 100% possible.
Okay, yes, my manager told me last year, it was like, if you continue with this particular role, you should be sure that in the next 5 years, you'll be out of job. So I was reminded in my place of work that I might be out of job. So you can just imagine where you are gaining money from, and someone is telling you that you'll be out of job if you keep this particular role. So yes, I was, and I'm still afraid of AI taking my job.
no. To me, I think AI will just help me grow my work more.
Okay.
No, AI can't take my job. I just feel AI can provide all the answer, but to me, I'm sure that it can provide about 70%, because there's nothing you do. You need human resources, and AI, as you can see, it does not provide the source where it gets its materials from.
Those who uses AI in their work will definitely supersede those, or will replace those who detest it.
Actually, I would say I'm not scared. For you to be scared of AI means you don't know how to use it. That's yeah.